In this module, we are going to talk about population growth. If you could see that how overpopulation is becoming or making this global world a melting pot where every individual when is getting the place on the global village, then how it's getting out of that melting pot. If you could see that how these individuals are getting out of this uh, global map, and because that it's now getting more and more people, so definitely when we have more people than our place, it's going to be very difficult for other individuals that they how can they live on the planet. Population growth refers to an increase in the number of people that reside in a particular country, city, or community. Population growths usually should be done according to the given place. For example, if you have one room and having five people to live in that, for example, 100 by 100 square feet room, it would be very difficult for those people to live there hygienically. Formula to determine the population growth, that is regarding birth rate plus immigration or minus death rate plus emigration. Chain: more number of people due to population growth, more demand for oil, gas, coal, and other fuels mined or drilled from below the Earth's surface. Burning of aforementioned materials will increase the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Emission of carbon dioxide will contribute to greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. So, if we could see that if there are more people and less resources, they are obviously going to create a problem for that place. If you could see that how this population growth is damaging the overall planet, here is a greenhouse effect and global warming. Different, there are things which are causing this all greenhouse effect. For example, there are chimneys, and here are the emission of क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स. आपने देखा होगा यहाँ पे लोग किस तरह से आग जला देते हैं कूड़ा जलाने के लिए. It is adding up in the climate change. Deforestation is happening. Again, it's a big reason for that in greenhouse effect. So this is how you can see that when the ozone layer depleted, that usually supposed to stop the ultraviolet red rays to come directly on the earth, that work as a filter or a sieve. तो वहाँ पर वो जब एक सीव ख़त्म हो जाएगी जो कि फ़िल्टर करती थी उन ख़तरनाक शुआओं को जो कि सूरज से निकलती हैं कि वो डायरेक्ट बराह रास्त ज़मीन पर ना पड़ें, तो जब वो डिप्लीट होनी शुरू हो जाएगी ओजोन लेयर, उसके अंदर सुराख हो गए हैं, साइंसदानों का कहना है कि जिसकी वजह से वो रेज डायरेक्टली आ रही हैं ज़मीन पर. तो ये भी एक रीज़न है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की. ड्यू टू ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट द हीट गोज अप इनटू the space, but the greenhouse gases block the heat going into space. And heat goes back to Earth. When the Earth is overheated due to fossil fuels burning and greenhouse gases, it leads to global warming. Global warming leads to climate change. So, we individuals and our activities are definitely adding up in global warming and causing that greenhouse effect. Causes of population growth: high illiteracy rate, radical beliefs regarding birth control. If we see here that high illiteracy rate, we cannot generalize it that only illiterate people are having more children. There are many people who are highly qualified, educated, but they believe that their religious belief allow them to have more children, and that literacy regarding that religion they utilize there and they believe that it is okay. But there is also a hadith that khairul umuri awsataha, कि हर चीज़ में म्याना रवि ही बेहतर है, तो उसको भी वो भूल जाते हैं उस वक़्त। लेकिन मेरा मतलब सिर्फ़ ये कहने का है कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ़ इलिटरेसी ही एक वजह हो, लिटरेसी भी वजह हो सकती है। Radical beliefs regarding birth control, religious and cultural beliefs that I earlier mentioned, desire of male child, economic support, advanced medical technology has eradicated many fatal diseases, low death rate as cure of many diseases is possible, urbanization, deforestation, increased use of earth's resources. But what I understand, there is one more reason. When the state is not performing its duties in educating people, that you supposed to take this responsibility that this is only one planet that we all have to share and care. Until then, we cannot expect anything positive on this planet.